Hello everyone. Today I'm going to continue with this discussion of importing data from Excel to R. And there is another important scenario which is faced by those who want to import data from Excel to R. And let me demonstrate that scenario to you quickly. So as you can see, there are three data sets, and these are dummy data sets. I'm going to open one of them, and there's some data in that is dummy data, which I created for the purpose of this demonstration. So that is not important. What is important is the format of these three files. So let me show you. If I go into the properties of the first file, you will see that the first file is in xlsx format. And if I go to the properties of the second file, you will get to know that the second file, I cannot see the format of it. Let me go again into the properties of the second file, and let's check what are the properties of the second file. You can see that the second file is XLS format. And the third file, if I go into the properties of the third file, then that is in .csv format, which means that the same data is saved in different formats. So if we face a situation where we have to import a data which is in one of these formats, how are we going to do that? Let's go into R, and the package which we are going to use for this purpose is read Excel package. If you have not installed this package, you would want to install this package before running it. Since I have already installed it, so I'm going to just run this and load the package. Within this package, the function which we need to use is read_Excel, and then the name of the file along with the extension of the file. So for xlsx, I'm going to put that extension and then save the file into df and then print that data set. And as you can see, if I run this code, that data set is all printed. The only modification which I need to do if I'm going to read the file with the extension of xls is that I'm going to modify the extension at the end of the name of the file. The same function is going to be used, which is read_Excel with the name of the file with the correct extension, which is XLS in this case, and that is going to be saved to the data frame df again, and I'm going to print it again. And as you can see, if I run this code, the same data is loaded because that is the same data which was created for the purpose of this demonstration and is saved in a different format. The third format which was there was the CSV format. For CSV, we need to use another function which is known as read.csv function. And within the function, we are going to put in the name of the file along with the extension, which is .csv. And I'm going to save that into df as the data frame, and then I'm going to print it. So I'm going to run this piece of code, and as you can see that this is also loaded. So in this way, if you have sometime you get data in one format or in another format, you can use these functions to load data from Excel to R. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care for the time being. Bye. See you in the next video.